What's up, car lovers, and welcome back to Car Trend, your ultimate destination for everything fast, furious, and dripping with raw horsepower. Today, we're diving into the beast that needs no introduction, the 2026 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's the kind of machine that makes your heart race before you even turn the key, and once you do, oh boy, you better be ready to hold on tight. The Hellcat has always been a legend in the muscle car world, but the 2026 model takes it to a whole new level with mind-blowing performance, bold styling, and tech upgrades that make it as modern as it is menacing. Let's start under the hood, because that's where the magic happens. Powering the 2026 Challenger Hellcat is the iconic supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 that now pushes out an insane 807 horsepower. That's right, Dodge decided to push the limits even further, and the result is a car that can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.4 seconds. Pair that with a top speed north of 200 miles per hour, and you're looking at one of the most ferocious street-legal muscle cars ever built. The roar from that exhaust isn't just noise, it's pure automotive symphony, the kind of sound that makes gearheads grin ear to ear. But this Hellcat isn't just about brute force. Dodge has fine-tuned the chassis, suspension, and steering for even better handling. Whether you're tearing down a drag strip or taking on winding back roads, the 2026 Hellcat feels sharper and more connected to the road than ever. The upgraded Brembo brakes give you the confidence to bring all that power to a stop when needed, and with multiple drive modes, sport, track, and custom, you can dial in the perfect setup for whatever kind of adrenaline rush you're chasing. On the outside, the 2026 Challenger Hellcat looks every bit as intimidating as it feels. The aggressive wide-body design, massive air intakes, functional hood scoop, and menacing LED lighting make sure this car turns heads everywhere it goes. New color options like Venom Red and Midnight Shock give owners a chance to make their Hellcat as unique as their personality, and those 20-inch lightweight forged wheels not only look killer but also improve performance. Step inside, and you'll find that Dodge didn't skimp on comfort and tech. The cabin strikes the perfect balance between muscle car nostalgia and modern-day convenience. You get premium leather seats with Hellcat embroidery, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and an upgraded Uconnect 6 infotainment system with a massive touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and performance pages that let you monitor things like G-forces, horsepower output, and track times. Even though this car is all about raw power, Dodge made sure it's also a place you can enjoy long drives in comfort. At the end of the day, the 2026 Dodge Challenger Hellcat isn't just a car, it's an experience. It's for the drivers who crave the rush of unfiltered power, the thrill of dominating the road, and the satisfaction of knowing they own a modern legend. This car is a reminder that even in a world moving toward electric power, there's still a place for old-school muscle with a modern twist. If you've ever dreamed of owning a car that makes every drive feel like a special event, the 2026 Hellcat is waiting to make that dream a reality. And that wraps up today's ride here on Car Trend. If you love content about the fastest, fiercest, and most iconic cars in the world, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and drop a comment telling us your favorite muscle car of all time. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your passion for cars alive.